Hello and welcome. My name is Vukile, and we are continuing with analyzing the fretboard using the chromatic scale to create the major scale shapes or major scale shapes, if you like. Today we're going to create what we call the 4-note per string, 3-note per string, and what it means is from running from the 6th string to the first string, we start off with four notes on the 6th string, and then 3 notes on the 5th string, 4 notes on the 4th string, 3 notes on the 3rd string, 4 notes on the 2nd string, and 3 notes on the 1st string. So what we're going to do, we're going to use the 6-note per string chromatic scales. We are working here in the key of C, and we are going to create modes of the C major scale using that method. And this is a beautiful way of covering the fretboard as well, because 4-note, 3-note, 4-note, 3-note per strings cover a lot of ground. So you can start from one area of the fretboard and end up in an entirely different area altogether. You cover at least, if you look at this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 notes. You cover quite a lot there. So almost the whole octave, but on different strings. So this is it here. So what we're going to do is we have used the 6-note per string, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chromatic scale. So as you can see, the chromatic scale, let's run the chromatic scale from C to C. C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, and back to C. And it does that as well here. So you can see this is the first position. And the first position is going to be called the C major scale or C Ionian mode. And the formula is there. I'm not going to explain the formula now because I've explained the formula before. And any other formulas that are coming up, I'm not going to explain them because I've explained them before. Go back to the first video that I did on modes and find out what I meant by those formulas. So let's begin here by removing notes that we don't like in the C major scale. We know that the notes that we don't like are the notes with sharps: C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp. These are the notes that we don't like. So we remove them, like I said. We remove them. There we go. You create this shape here. The beauty about this is you get to play with 4 fingers. These first 2 fingers spread, and then one spread a tone apart, and then a semitone. And you do 3 fingers here, and then 4 fingers here, 3 fingers, 4 fingers, 3 fingers. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. This is the C Ionian mode. C Ionian mode. Now we go to the second mode. With the second mode, you start your 6-note per string chromatic scale on the next note that is in the key of C, and that is a D. So there we go. We've got a D. Let's just move it up there. We've got a D there, and we do the same thing. We remove unwanted notes, and this is called the D Dorian because we're starting on D here. D Dorian mode. It's the C major scale, and the mode there is the D Dorian mode. Okay, so we remove it. Nga, 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 nga. So we produce that D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So this is the C major scale, and this is the Dorian mode, the D Dorian mode. You call it the D Dorian mode. Okay. So we go to the next one. Just remember, the mode takes. We name the mode by the starting note here on the thickest string. So we go here. we have the E Phrygian mode, and there is the formula. There are the formulas. There are two formula, and let's remove the unwanted notes: F sharp, G sharp, na 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 na. Here's what we've been looking for now. E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. You always have to check the notes, to make sure they are correct. Okay, so here we go with the E Phrygian mode. That's the E Phrygian mode there. Then taking the name from here, E Phrygian mode and C major scale. Okay, we go on with our C major scale. On the fourth position, we have F Lydian. We start our chromatic scale on F, the 6-note per string chromatic scale. So it was announcing time there, so no worries. We remove notes that we don't want from this scale here. So F sharp is removed, G sharp, A sharp, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, C sharp, D sharp, A sharp. So let's do another check. F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E. Beautiful. This is the F Lydian mode. The F Lydian mode. Okay, and it's the C major scale. F Lydian mode is only found in the C major scale. That's all that you got to know, that you don't have any other F Lydian mode. It only exists in the C major scale. Okay. And we go down. Now, with this, what we have done is, because we're going to run out of notes here on the 24th fret, we come back to start with G, come back to the 3rd fret on the string, on the 6th string there. So we start here: G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, E, and so that we can utilize notes that we can see, so that we can visualize the thing properly. That's why we have started on lower registers. So we remove the notes that we don't like here, and this one is called the G Mixolydian. This is the 5th note of the C major scale. It's called, we start a scale from a mode from there. It's called the G Mixolydian. Anytime you start a mode from the 5th of a major scale, it's a Mixolydian mode. It's named after that note. That's that 5th note. 5th note, note number 5. So we remove the unwanted notes here: G sharp, A sharp, na 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 na. Now let's take inventory here: G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. So here is our scale. That's our scale there. You can see how much it is covering there when you play it. It's pretty good, covering 2 octaves. You can see these 2 octaves here, and this is our G Mixolydian mode, or C major scale. Okay. Now we go to the next one, the 6th. We want to start a mode from the 6th note of the C major scale. The 6th note is A. It creates for us an Aeolian mode or an A natural minor scale. Okay, A natural minor scale. And what we're gonna see here is, we start here our 6-note chromatic scale, 6-note per string chromatic scale. We start on A. So we remove the notes that we don't want: A sharp, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp. Now let's take let's do an account of the notes here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So this is our A natural minor, or the C major scale. A natural minor, or A Aeolian mode. A Aeolian mode. I don't know how you're gonna pronounce that that thing there. Then we go to the seventh mode of the C major scale. It starts on B, the note B. So we populate the fretboard with our B chromatic scales, the B chromatic scale, 6 note per string. And here we go. We remove notes that we don't like here: C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp. We remove that. Nah, 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 nah. That was pretty quick. And here, let's take read our scale. B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Okay. So just for your for the sake of this formula here, you see the semitone, tone, tone, and from E to F there's a semitone, and the tone, tone. From A to B, another tone. You know. So you got from B to B, you have this formula here. Okay, going on. So these are the modes again that you can play to cover ground. Now, when we play these ones, I'll show you. When you get to down there, you can play a chord up there, or you can cut it in between there and play a chord there. That's how you learn to expand on the fretboard and to play your lead guitar. You don't have to be stuck on one position all the time. No, don't do it. So this is the thing. We have 4 note per string, 3 note per string. Please subscribe. My name is Vukile. I will meet you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.